Welcome to IACE. Today we have to discuss SSC CHSL 26th October 2020 Shift 1 Pure Maths questions, right? So today we'll discuss about Pure Maths questions in this shift, right? So first question number 1. First question is related to algebra. So what is given? 2a plus 1 by a equal to 4 is given. Then what we have to find? A square plus 1 by 4a square, that means 1 by 2a whole square we have to find. So if you observe carefully, what we are observing, 2a plus 1 by a is there, but here simply reverse it is there, a plus 1 by 2a is there. So reciprocally you are observing, whenever reciprocally you are observing, first we have to convert our given equation into the required equation. How to convert? Here 2a is there, instead of 2a what we have to want, a we want. Instead of 2a we want a. Instead of 2a we want a means what we have to do? We have to divide with 1 by 2 or multiply with 1 by 2, whatever it is. Divide with 2, automatically this 2 will go or not? Just see, 2 cancel, what will come? A plus 1 by 2 into a. 2a equal to 2, 4 cancel 2. Now whether it is changed or not. So anytime reciprocal it is there, simply whatever we do you don't want, that you divide, whatever you want, that you multiply. Simple. Whatever the value you want, multiply with that one. Whatever you don't want, that you divide. Automatically you will get the result equation. Okay, right? So I am dividing with 2. What will come? A plus 1 by 2a equal to how much? 2. Right? A plus 1 by 2a equal to, right? Now tell me, now already x plus 1 by x formulas we discussed. What is the formulas? Lx plus m by x. If Lx plus 1 by x equal to a or p and if Lx plus 1 by, if Lx plus m by x, Lx plus m by x equal to p, then what is Lx whole square plus m by x whole square we discussed. If Lx plus 1 by x whole square equal to p, Lx whole square plus m by x whole square formula is p square. Same formula, x plus 1 by x equal to p, x square plus 1 by x square is p square minus 2. Same here also, p square minus 2. Additionally what we have to add, we have to multiply this lm that we discussed, right? ఇదే కదా మనం డిస్కస్ చేసింది, రైట్? ఫార్ములాస్ ఇన్ ఫార్ములా x plus 1 by x లో, సో అరౌండ్ 15-18 ఫార్ములాస్ we discussed there. So out of which this is the one formula, right? So if Lx plus m by x equal to p, Lx whole square plus m by x whole square equal to how much? P square minus 2l. So Lx plus m by x equal to 2, then Lx whole square a square plus 1 by a 1 by that means Lx whole square plus m by x whole square is how much? What is the formula? P square. P square means 2 square minus 2 into L. What is L? L is how much? Nothing is there. That means 1a whole square. So L is 1 and M. What is M? M is 1 by 2. M is how much? 1 by 2. 2 cancel. So 4 minus 1 answer is how much? 3. So answer, option B is the right answer. Simple question. But when? If you know the formula. If you know the formula, directly we can mark. Then board మీద రాస్తున్నాను అంతే, but directly we can write the answer. Okay, no need to do anything, right? Then next one, question number 2. See, question number 2, again an algebra question. What is given? A square plus b square plus 2ab plus 4a plus 5 equal to 0. Then find the value of 2a minus 3b by 2a plus 3b. Very simple. You are observing here, a square plus 4a, I have to make into a perfect square. 1 4 if we add, this we can write as a square plus 2 whole square or not. Similarly remaining b square plus 2b plus 1. So that 5 I am separating it as 4 plus 1. Why I am separating like this? Means this is 1 whole square, that is also 1 whole square, right? Now how we can write this? A plus 2 whole square and this is b plus 1 square. That means a plus 2 equal to how much? 0. B plus 1 equal to how much? 0. So a equal to minus 2 and b equal to how much? Minus 1. Substitute here, 2a minus 3b by 2a plus 3b. Simple substitution. That is 2 into minus 2. 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4 and minus 3 into minus 1. Minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3 by minus 4 minus 3, that is minus 1 by minus 7 means how much? 1 by 7. So what is the ratio? The ratio is how much? 1 by 7. So option C is the right answer. Option C is the right answer. Okay, right. Then question number 3. Again, it's a number system question. So previously we did same model in previous papers. We did same question given here. If a number is divided by 89, if a number is divided by 89, the remainder is 63. If the same number is divided by 29, what is the remainder? Already told, anytime a number is divided by 889 means first you find the number. One number you find. How to find number? Very simple. Add these two. That is 899 plus 63. Means how much? 962. So what is the number? The number is how much? 962. So 962 is the number. Simply check. Divide with 899, 962. You divide it with 899, 899 once, 899. Then remainder is how much automatically? 63 or not? 63 or not? So what is the number? The number is how much? 962. The same 962 we have to divide with 29. We have to divide with 29. This 962 we have to divide with 29. So 29. 29 3 is how much? 3 9s 27. So 3 to 6 8 87. That means 87 means 9 2. Again 3 is sorry. Got 2 space right. Again 87 means how much? 5. So what is the remainder? The remainder is how much? 5. So option D is the right answer. Very simple. అంతేగాని n plus 1 n square ఇవన్నీ చేయాల్సిన పర్లేదు. సింప్లీ టేక్ ఏ నెంబర్ విచ్ ఈస్ సాటిస్ఫైయింగ్ ద ఫస్ట్ థింగ్. సేమ్ థింగ్ యూ డివైడ్ విత్ సెకండ్ వన్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద రిమైండర్ యూ ఆర్ గెటింగ్? దట్ ఈస్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్. ఫస్ట్ ఒక నెంబర్ని ఐడెంటిఫై చేయండి. సింప్లీ ఐడెంటిఫై ఏ నెంబర్ విత్ సేమ్ నెంబర్ డివైడ్ విత్ 29. వాట్ ఈస్ ద రిమైండర్ యూ ఆర్ గెటింగ్? దట్ ఈస్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్. ఓకే, సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద రిమైండర్ యూ ఆర్ గెటింగ్ హియర్? 5. సో ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ 5. ఓకే, రైట్. దెన్ question number 4. So trigonometry question. What is given? Cosecant theta equal to 13 by 12. Then find the value of 2 sin theta minus 3 cos theta by 2 sin theta minus 9 cos theta. Right? Just see. 2 sin theta minus 3 cos theta by 4 sin theta minus 9 cos theta. So this is the value we have to find. Right? Now see, so whenever it is given like this, a trigonometric ratio is given, immediately that question we have to solve by using Pythagoras theorem. And here it is a triplet code, that also we are identifying theta. So hypotenuse is 13, opposite is 12, means what is adjacent? Adjacent is how much? 5. 5, 12, 13 is the combination. So directly we can substitute here, or some more we will simplify. Inka simplify cheddam chudandi. Divide with sin cos is there. I am dividing with cos. Numerator and denominator I am dividing with cos. Then what will come? Sin by cos, tan. So 2 tan theta minus cos by cos. So 3 by 4 tan theta minus 9. So instead of putting two values, directly tan theta if you put, it is easy, right? So what is tan theta? Tan means opposite by adjacent. What is opposite? 12 by adjacent is 5. Substitute here. That is 2 into 12 by 5 minus 3 by 4 into 12 by 5 minus 9. That is how much? 24 minus 15. 24 minus 15 is 9. 9 by 5 means 9 by 48 minus 9 5 is 40. 48 minus 45, 3. So answer is how much? So option A is the right answer. If you simplify, answer A is the right answer. Ante kada? So sir, listen, I don't know how to make in tan theta. No problem, even though you can substitute. What is sin? Sin means opposite by adjacent. That means 12 by 13 you substitute. Cos means adjacent by hypotenuse. That is 5 by 13 you substitute. 12 by 13, 5 by 13 you substitute and simplify. Finally you will get the answer how much? 3. Anyway we can do. Okay, right. Point here you have to know, that is anytime a trigonometric ratio is given, compulsory that question we have to solve by using Pythagoras theorem. That is the point you have to know. Okay, next one, question number 5. See, tan theta plus cot theta equal to 2, then find the value of tan power 100 theta plus cot power 100. Actually this is a algebra question that is given in terms of trigonometry. Okay, so or else even we can find in terms of trigonometry only. ట్రిగనోమెట్రీలో కూడా చేయొచ్చు. సో ఇన్ దట్ వే విల్ సీ. Okay, actually this is the question related to, what is the question? If x plus 1 by x equal to a, generally if x plus 1 by x equal to a, sorry, not a, if anytime if x plus 1 by x equal to 2, if x plus 1 by x equal to 2, then x power n plus 1 by x power n value is also equal to 2. So this is the point we'll discuss in algebra. So anytime if x plus 1 by x equal to 2, x power n plus 1 by x power 1 value is also how much? 2. So tan theta plus cot theta means 1 by tan theta. If tan theta plus 1 by tan theta equal to x plus 1 by x equal to 2, tan power 100 theta plus cot power 100 theta is value also equal to how much? 2 only. The answer is how much? 2. Or else, sir, tan theta plus cot theta equal to 2, where put 1, theta equal to how much? 45. Theta is equal to how much? 45. Tan 45 1, cot 45 1. Substitute tan 45 1 power 100 plus 1 power 100. That is how much? Anyway we can do. Actually this is algebra question. What is the condition? Condition is if x plus 1 by x equal to 2, x power n plus 1 by x power n value is also equal to how much? 2. So tan theta plus 1 by tan theta equal to 2 mean tan power 100 theta plus 1 by tan power 100 theta value is also how much? 2. Not only 100, 2050, tan power 2053 plus cot power 2053 theta value is how much? That value is also equal to 2. Okay, alright. Next one, question number 6. Question related to geometry. See, the difference between the largest and the smallest angle of a triangle, we have to find whose angles are in the ratio of 4:3:8. 4:3:8, right? 4:3:8 means 4x plus 3x plus 8x. The sum of three angles is how much? The sum of three angles in a triangle is how much? 180 degrees. Means how much we are getting? 15. 15x equal to 180 means 15 ones 15 twos, right? So x equal to how much? 12. X equal to 12 we are getting. What he is asking? The difference between the largest and the smallest. What is the largest? Largest is 8x minus smallest is how much? 3x. That we have to find. The difference between the largest and the smallest. Largest is 8x and smallest is 3x. So what is the difference? 5x we have to find. What we have to find? 5x. That is 5 into x is how much? 12. So 12 5 is how much? 60 degrees. So what is the difference? The difference is how much? 60 degrees. So option D is the right answer. Simple question. Okay, simply one point you have to know. The sum of three angles in a triangle is, the sum of three angles in a triangle is how much? 180 degrees. That is the only point you have to know, right? Then next one, question number 7, again algebra question, sorry, geometry question. What is given? In triangle ABC, 2 angle B equal to 9 angle C, 2 angle A equal to 7 angle C, AB equal to 8, AC equal to 17, then find the value of BC. Actually, by observing this value only we can tell. 8, 17, what? 8, 17 means we know a combination actually. 8, 15, 17 is the combination, right? Here it is forming a rectangle triangle. 8, 17 means you are observing means, yes. And all the values are in numbers. All the values, options are giving numbers means compulsory. It's a combination. Compulsory it has to form a right angle triangle. So 8, 15 means what is the answer? Answer is how much? 15. Option A is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. Or else we can go for the problem also. Problem also 8, 17 is there means answer is how much? 15. Directly we can go. Why? Because the triplet code is 8, 15, 17. But it has to make 90 degrees. Kachithanga avutundi. So we'll see here. What is given? 2 angle B equal to, or 2B I am writing directly. 2B equal to 9C. And another thing, 2A equal to 7C. Two values, right? Now see what is B by C? B by C is 9 by 2 and A by C is how much? A by C is how much? 7 by 2, right? I am writing B is to C. B is to C is how much? B is to C is 9 by 2 and A is to C. A is to C is how much? A is to C is 7 is to, right? So what is A is to B is to C? A is to B is to C is how much? 7 is to 9 is to 2. A is to B is to C is 7 is to 9 is to 2. That means 7x plus 9x plus 2x equal to how much? 180 degrees, right? Means what is the value we are getting here? 11, 18. 18x equal to how much? 180. So x equal to how much? 10 degrees. What is the value we are getting? X equal to 10 degrees. X equal to 10 degrees means what is B? What is angle B? Angle B is 9x is 90 degrees. That means we are getting a right angle triangle or not? Yes, right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means what is the combination? 8, 15, 17. So answer is how much? 15. So right 15 marks. ఓకే, ఇదంతా చెయ్యాలి. బట్ నో నీడ్ టు డూ ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్. వై? బికాజ్ మనకి నెంబర్స్ కనపడ్డాయంటేనే 8, 17 ట్రిపులెట్ కోడ్ ఈస్ దేర్. ఎస్, 100% there is a chance of forming a right angle triangle 8, 15, 17. ఓకే, సో డైరెక్ట్లీ వీ కెన్ మార్క్ ఆన్సర్ 15. చేయాల్సిన పనే లేదు, ఈ స్టోరీ అంతా చేయాల్సిన పని లేదు. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్, క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 8. Some diagram mistake came here. We'll see the diagram first. We'll see question whether we can find diagram or not. We'll see. ABCD is a quadrilateral such that angle D is 90 degrees. A circle with center O touches the sides AB, BC, CD, DA at P, Q, RS respectively. Yes, no need of diagram. We can draw diagram. From that question we can draw the diagram. Here diagram some mistake is came. What is that? BC angle D is 90 degrees, right? D is 90 degrees. D should be 90. So D should be 90 degrees. 90 degrees should be there. D. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Angle D is 90 degrees. A circle with center O touches the circle. Touches the circle means a in circle is drawn. ABCD is a circle. ABCD is a quadrilateral. In this circle, in this quadrilateral, if a circle is drawn, if a circle is drawn like this, if a circle is drawn which touches AB, BC, CD and DA such that BC value is given how much? BC is 40 and BP 28. Oh, it touches at PQR, AB at P, Q, R, S, right? P, Q, R, S, right? Now some values is given. BP is how much? 28 and CD is 25. CD, this is 25. CD is 25. Then find the radius of the circle. This radius we have to find. Okay, this radius we have to find. Right here, if you observe, oh, let it be. Here, if you observe, here it is making. This is 90 radius, and that means, and also I told already from the exterior point, if two tangents are drawn, if from exterior point if two tangents are drawn, both tangents are always equal. PA equal to PB. If two tangents are drawn from an exterior point, two tangents are always equal. So this is exterior point. From exterior point, if two tangents are equal, both sides are always equal. Here also two sides are equal. Here also two sides are, this lengths are equal, right? Now you see, that means here it is forming this side and this side, all sides are 90 degrees means side by side lengths are equal and each angle is 90 degree means immediately what happens? What happens immediately? DROS is a square, right? It is a square or not? Exactly. In a square all sides are equal. All sides are equal. So if you find DR over, right? Now see AP. So BC is, this is BP is 28 means what is BQ? This is also how much? 20. This is 28 means this is also 28, right? Total 40. This is 28 means this part is how much? 12. Again this is 12 means this is how much? 12. Why? Because tangents are equal, right? Total 25 means this is 12 means this is how much? 30. This is 30 means this is 13. So what is the radius? The radius is how much? 13. So option B is the right answer. Simple. So this is the total question related with this concept. What is the concept? If two tangents are drawn from an exterior point, then both tangents are always equal. So here this tangent, these two tangents are equal. This is 28 means this is 28. Total distance is given 40. 28 means this is 12. Again this tangent and this tangent both are equal. This is 12 means this is also 12, and this value is given 25. 25 means 12 means this is 13. 13 means automatically these two tangents are equal. 13 means 13, and it is a square means radius is how much? 13. Okay, so directly we can write. So in the diagram only problem we can do, right? So diagram you draw this one. This is not the diagram. So by mistake some error ochindi. So diagram you draw like this, right? Then next one, question number 9. What is the value of AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC if ABC values is given? So A is 225, B is 226 and C is 227. First anything it is given, first you have to check whether A plus B plus C is 0 or not. Here A plus B plus C is 0. No, A plus B plus C is not 0, means immediately then we have to write the formula. A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC formula we have to write. A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC formula is, what is the formula we discussed? Two formulas we discussed. Second formula I am writing half of A plus B plus C into, or two formulas I will write. So first we will learn, then we will go. So A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC formula. What are the two formulas? First formula is A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. This is the first formula. So this is the first formula of A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC formula. Second formula is, also we can write it as half of A plus B plus C of A minus B whole square plus B minus C whole square plus C minus A whole square. So this is the second formula we have to discuss, right? Both formulas we can use, but which one is better that we have to use. So square, A square 225 whole square, 225 whole square, 226 whole square means it is little bit difficult. Different square is easy, right? That's why I am using second formula. Any formula we can use, A formula and use H, but which is better that we have to choose, right? Now I am substituting half of A. That is 225 plus 226 plus 227, right? Of A minus B. A minus B is how much? Minus 1. Minus 1 whole square, 1. B minus C. B minus C is also how much? 1. 1 minus 1. Minus 1 whole square is 1. Plus C minus A. C minus A is how much? 2. 2 square is how much? 4. 2 ones. Here 6 is there. So 3's, right? Add 225, 225, 225. 600, 675, 675 plus 3. So 678, 678 into 3, 3 8's 24, 2, 21, 3, right, 20. So 2034. So 2034 is the right answer. So option D is the right answer. Option D is the right answer. Okay. So only thing you have to know the formula. That's it. Formula. Okay. All right. Question number 11. Question number 11. Trigonometry question. Cosecant A plus cot A equal to, cosecant A plus cot A equal to how much? 3. Find the value of cos A. Cosecant A plus cot A equal to 3 means cosecant A minus cot A is how much? Cosecant A plus cot A, cosecant A minus cot A both are always reciprocals to each other. Secant and secant plus tan A, secant minus tan A both are reciprocals to each other. Similarly, cosecant A plus cot A, cosecant A minus cot A, that also both are reciprocals to each other. So this is 3 means this is how much? 1 by 3. Simplify, that's it. So 2 cosecant A equal to 3 plus 1 by 3. That is how much? 10 by 3. That is cosecant A equal to how much? 5 by 3. Cosecant A equal to 5 by 3 from a Pythagoras theorem. A cosecant means hypotenuse by adjacent, opposite. Hypotenuse by opposite. So what is adjacent? 3 5 means 4. What you have to find? Cos A. What is cos? Cos means adjacent by hypotenuse. What is adjacent? 4 by 5. So answer is how much? 4 by 5 is the right answer. So option A is the right answer. Okay. So this is the point you have to know here. What is the point? Cosecant A plus cot A equal to 3 means cosecant A minus cot A value is how much? 1 by 3. Both are always reciprocal to each other. That is the point you have to know. Okay. Question number 11. Again, this is the question related to geometry. Geometry question. See, AB is the diameter of the circle. This is the clue. So diameter. So geometry lo manam నేర్చుకున్నప్పుడు so clues తోటి with clue, that means in question we have to identify the clue. So once if you know the clue means then problem we can. So what is the clue here? Diameter. Whether we'll use the theorem or not, that is separate, but you have to remember the theorem. So diameter means immediately what you have to remember? The angle on a semicircle. Angle on a semicircle is always 90 degrees. Angle on a semicircle is how much? 90 degrees. That is the point you have to know. P is a point on the circle. If angle POA is 130 degrees, then what is PBO, right? In a circle, AB is the diameter. AB is the diameter. See, POA is given. Another clue also we got. Two clues ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ. POA. O is there means immediately which theorem we have to remember? Degree measure theorem we have to remember. So two clues are there. One clue is angle on a semicircle is 90 degrees. Second clue is degree measure theorem. Angle at the center. Angle at the center. So two clues are there. Just we'll see. POA equal to how much? POA is 130 degrees. Then find angle PBO. Well, we have to find this theta value. We have to find. Very simple. Degree measure theorem. What degree measure theorem says? The angle made by a chord. The angle made by a chord at the center is always double the angle made by the same chord on the alternate segment. Means what degree measure theorem says? Angle AOB equal to 2 times of angle ABP. Angle AOP. Angle AOP equal to always 2 times of angle ABP. ABP, which theorem? Degree measure theorem, right? So this is the degree measure theorem we discussed. What degree measure theorem says? In a circle, if a chord is drawn, the angle made by the chord at the center, is always double when compared to angle made on the other part of the circle, not on the same part. On the other part, wherever you draw, let it be this is x means this is how much? 2x. Anywhere on the other part. So x means this is 2. Not on the same part, E part, on the other part. On the other part, x means this is how much? 2x, right? Same thing. So angle made at the center is always double on the other part. On the other part, wherever it is. That means this is 130 degrees means what is angle ABP? 65 degrees. So option B is the right answer. So we have two clues. One దగ్గర రెండు clues ఉన్నాయి. Two clues we have, but out of two clues only one clue we used. What is that? Degree measure theorem. Okay, no doubt, right? So by this shift question papers regarding pure maths questions we discussed, right? In next class we'll discuss another shift questions, right? Thank you.